Harder than it looks, isn't it? All right, Seth.
Push it in there. Maybe we could both get on
There
one
you
side.
go. Good job, Seth.
Maybe we could both get on one side.
Yeah, you could. Try it.
Seth, let's try and get on one side.
Let him grab
Push
the
it
other
through,
side.
Seth. Push
Get
it
on the
through.
other side, Nathan.
I know.
Push
Come
it
on,
through, Seth.
Here, wait. Stop.
Stop for
Get
a
your
minute,
hands
Seth.
off of it.
Nathan, get on the other side. Keep going. All right, Seth, you grab that side. You got to put it in the tree. You guys don't even have it in the tree. Put it in there.
Pull up. I can't even see where it's at.
All right, now grab. Hold on, Seth.
Pull it that way again. You're pulling it. I'm not.
You're supposed to pull this.